So who says you can't use the Cybertruck for truck stuff, whatever that means. Look at all this garbage. So we got it all tied up. Got this so stuff doesn't slide back here. Got that tied down there. Got that in there. Tied around that. Tied around the treadmill over there and back over. There's more tie downs up there, but I'm not using those. And yeah. And who says you gotta scratch up your truck just because it's a truck? I use it as a bed, so yeah, I'm not gonna purposely just damage my thing just because it's easier. And then you got these outlets I use all the time. So got that. We're gonna dump all that junk, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey look, the rear view mirror is actually a little useful. I can see if my junk fell out of the truck bed. Okay, so we weigh what, 7,580 pounds? If I bounce on it, it's not working. I guess we weigh 7,580. Alright, we were actually 7,560. It's hard to see. There you go, in camera. It's hard to tell, but those trash cans are super tiny. Look at those. These are kind of normal size, and then there's these like little baby trash cans. I don't know who uses them, if you get like a better deal or something for it, but that can maybe fit one trash bag. Alright, it's time to unload. I'm gonna throw this all on the floor behind us. Got that so far. Going in. Alright, there we go. All cleared up. Let that thing out. We're good. Let's go. Alright, so our new weight is 7,080 pounds. And without me in the truck.